Born in the US, well, your automatic citizenship might be getting a plot twist. That's right, President Donald Trump is shaking things up with plans to end birthright citizenship. If you were thinking that being born in the United States automatically equals a shiny new passport, think again. The rules might be about to change. That is because the newly sworn in US President Donald Trump is planning to end birthright citizenship. But wait, what exactly is birthright citizenship? Well, just as the name says, it's an automatic VIP pass to American citizenship for anyone born in the US. And here's the catch, even if your parents aren't US citizens, as soon as you're born there, you become a citizen. It's all spelled out in the very first line of the 14th Amendment to the US Constitution. It says, and I quote, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside." This law was adopted after the Civil War in the year 1866 to guarantee citizenship for freed slaves. Over the time, it has been interpreted to apply to anyone born on US soil. But now the question is, why is Trump targeting it? Well, some immigration hardliners argue that this law encourages birth tourism, that is, undocumented moms crossing the border to have their babies, also known as anchor babies. Trump believes that this is a magnet for illegal immigration. On his first day in office, Donald Trump signed an executive order aimed at redefining the birthright citizenship. But can Trump do this? I mean, can he overturn the birthright citizenship? Legal experts overwhelmingly say no. Ending birthright citizenship would require a constitutional amendment, which needs 2/3 vote in Congress and approval from 2/3 quarters of US states, or a Supreme Court decision overturning the precedent, as in the 1898 Wong Kim Ark case. In that landmark case, the court ruled that children of immigrants born in the US are citizens of the country, regardless of their parents' status. Any move to reinterpret the 14th Amendment will likely lead to lengthy court battles. According to Pew Research, about 250,000 babies were born to undocumented parents in the United States in 2016 alone. These children are currently US citizens. Ending birthright citizenship would create a new category of undocumented people. According to a report, by 2050, nearly 4.7 million individuals would become stateless. Trump has even floated the idea of deporting US-born kids if their parents are undocumented. But is the United States the only country that grants birthright citizenship? Well, the answer is no. More than 30 countries, including Canada and Mexico, still practice birthright citizenship. But places like Australia and UK have stricter rules, often requiring at least one parent to be a citizen or permanent resident. Trump's executive order will face fierce legal challenges. In fact, on 21st of January 2025, attorney generals from 22 states sued to block President Donald Trump's move to end a century-old immigration practice. The Democratic attorney generals and immigration rights advocates claim that the question of birthright citizenship is a settled law, and that while presidents have broad authority, they are not kings. The fate of birthright citizenship is far from certain, but one thing is clear. Any change would reshape the definition of American identity and the nation's immigration policies. What do you think about this debate? Do let us know in the comments down below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.